Hi viewers and my dear students, welcome to my channel Making Engineering Mathematics Easy. In this video, I am going to explain MCQ problems of multiple integrals, especially problems based on circle. Here I have taken one circle. See the circle, center is origin and radius 2. Okay, so clearly the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. Okay, so this is the equation of circle with the center, origin and radius 2. Now could you know the area of the circle? We know the area of the circle formula, pi r square. So here r value equal to 2. So pi into 2 square. So what is the answer? 4 pi square units. Now 4 pi square units. Now here the area of the circle is 4 pi square units. Now in multiple integral, for the same answer 4 pi, how the questions will be asked in different manner. Let us watch the video. Okay, here the area of the region is calculated by 3 ways. One is double integral dy dx and double integral dx dy. Also double integral r into dr d theta. The first two stands for using x and y, that is Cartesian form. The Cartesian form. Okay, the third one is using r and theta, that is polar form. So however the answer, the area of the circle with radius 2, 4 pi, how the question will be classified in order to the types, that is Cartesian form and polar form. Sometimes the circle will be placed in some other place also. If the circle moves on some other place, how the question will be changed? Let us watch the video carefully. So first I am taking the order of integration dy dx. So double integral dy dx. So by the order of integration dy dx, we are going to use the vertical strip. Okay. So we are going to define the limits of this integration based on this vertical strip. Okay. Now from the equation x square plus y square equal to 4. Now the inner integral should be the function y is the function of x. So y equal to and y equal to. That means the bottom of the strip and top of the strip touches the same circle in different place, negative side and positive side. So here y square equal to 4 minus x square. So y equal to plus or minus square root of 4 minus x square. Therefore the limit is minus root of 4 minus x square and here plus 4 square root of 4 minus x square. So y limit is over. The function limit is over. Now the vertical strip moves along x-axis from left hand side to right hand side. So integral x equal to minus 2 to x equal to plus 2. So x limits also is over. Now see the question clearly. Integral minus 2 to 2, integral minus root of 4 minus x square, root of 4 minus x square dy dx. Okay, so when you see the problem first time, you may think that it will be complicated, but it stands for area of the circle with radius 2. So what is the answer? 4 pi. Now answer my question. If it is integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to square root of 4 minus x square dy dx. That means the vertical strip, using the vertical strip. Okay. Now bottom of the strip touches the x-axis, that is y equal to 0. Top of the strip touches the circle, that is y equal to square root of 4 minus x square. And strip moves along x-axis from x equal to 0 to 2. So integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to 2, square root of 4 minus x square dy dx clearly mention the area of the positive quadrant of the circle. Positive quadrant of the circle, which implies we know the area of the whole circle is 4 pi. Then the positive only the one quadrant area is 1 by 4 into 4 pi, that is pi square units. That is pi square units. So another one, double integral dx dy, that is order of integration dx dy. So by the order of integration dx dy, we can use the horizontal strip. We can use the horizontal strip. Okay, now we are going to define the limits of this integration. From the formula, x square plus y square equal to 4. So x square equal to 4 minus y square, which implies x equal to plus or minus square root of 4 minus y square. Okay, now the function limits x equal to minus root of 4 minus y square to x equal to square root of 4 minus y square, that is dx. Now the horizontal strips moves along y axis from minus 2 to plus 2, that is y equal to minus 2 to y equal to 2, that is outer integral dy. Now see the question, double integral minus 2 to 2 minus root of 4 minus y square to root of 4 minus y square dx dy. So however the question is changed, again it stands for area of the circle with radius 2. So that is answer 4 pi square units. In general, it may be question minus a to a integral minus root of a square minus y square root of a square minus y square dx dy equal to here pi into a square, pi into a square units. If it is question asked based on polar form, double integral r into dr d theta. Here we are not using a horizontal strip or vertical strip. Instead we are using what? Radial strip. We are using radial strip. Okay. Now we define the limits of the radial strip and how the radial strip rotated from the angle to angle. Okay. Now r fixed at the origin, that is r equal to 0. So integral r equal to 0. Okay. Then here radius touches the circle, x square plus y square equal to 4. Okay, now we know that in polar form x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Okay, so r equal to square root of x square plus y square, and also dx dy equal to r into dr d theta. Okay, now here x square plus y square equal to 4. So r equal to root 4. So r equal to 2. So here radial strip limit is r equal to 0 to r equal to 2. R into dr over. Now theta. So here theta equal to 0. Here radial strip started from theta equal to 0 and comes here theta equal to pi by 2. Then come to theta equal to pi. Then cross theta equal to 3 pi by 2 and ends with theta equal to 2 pi. So radial stream travels and takes the rotation from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to 2 pi. So complete rotation, theta equal to 0 to theta equal to 2 pi, that is d theta. Now see the question, interval 0 to 2 pi, interval 0 to 2 r into dr d theta. R into dr d theta. So however the question will be changed. The question is stands for area of the circle with radius 2. What is the answer? 4 pi. Now answer my question. If the radial stream started from theta equal to 0 to ends with theta equal to pi by 2 itself, that is 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to 2 r into dr d theta. Clearly this is the only positive quadrant of the circle. So 1 by 4 into 4 pi. What is the answer? Only pi. Answer 5 square units. What is the equation? X minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 4. So y square equal to 4 minus x minus 2 whole square. So y equal to square root of plus or minus square root of 4 minus x minus 2 whole square, or x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square equal to 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Now y square equal to 4x minus x square. So y equal to plus or minus square root of 4x minus x square. Okay, so as per the order of integration dy dx, I am draw the vertical strip. Okay, now we are going to define the inner integral. The inner integral limits y equal to minus square root of 4x minus x square and y equal to square root of 4x minus x square. Okay, dy. Now the outer integral, the vertical strips moves along the x-axis from 0 to 4. So x equal to 0 to x equal to 4. So outer integral dx. However, the question is changed. The question stands for finding area of the circle with center 2, 0 and radius 2. What is the answer? 4 pi square units. 4 pi square units. So now we are taking the polar form. Double integral r into dr d theta. Okay, so draw the radial strip. Okay, so here this is 0, this is 2 and this is 4. Okay, now here the line theta equal to 0 and theta equal to pi by 2. Now this is the equation of circle. In polar we have the standard form r equal to a cos theta. Here a value equal to 4. So r equal to 4 cos theta. Okay, now this is theta equal to pi by 2. Now the radial strips taking from theta equal to 0 and upper part ends with theta pi by 2. Okay, actually this is theta equal to 3 pi by 2 or theta equal to minus pi by 2. So how we are going to define the limits of the integration? Only know the inner integral. Radial strips fixed at r equal to 0 to r equal to 4 cos theta, and theta takes the angles theta equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so r into dr d theta. Okay, so this is the question. Multiple integral stands for finding the area of the circle with the center 2, 0 and radius 2. What is the answer? 4 pi square units. Now see the same circle just shifted from center 2, 0 to 0, 2. That is, the circle lies on above the x-axis. Okay, now what is the area of the circle? The same circle, area of the circle is 4 pi square units. Now how the questions will be changed in order to the position of this circle? Okay, now start with the order of integration dy dx. Double integral dy dx. Okay, as usual we are taking vertical strip. Okay, so what is the equation of the circle? Here center is 0, 2. That is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 4. Okay, so x square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 4. So y minus 2 whole square equal to 4 minus x square. So y minus 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 4 minus x square. So y equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus x square. Okay, now the inner integration should be in y equal to 2 minus root of 4 minus x square and y equal to 2 plus square root of 4 minus x square dy. Okay, now the outer integral. The vertical strips moves along the x-axis from minus 2 to 2. So x equal to minus 2 to x equal to 2. So dx. Okay, see how the question is changed. See, it looks like a little bit complicated problem, but the answer is very easy. This limits of this integration stands for area of the circle. Okay, with radius 2. What is the answer? 4 pi square units. Okay. Now we are taking the order of integration dx dy. As for the order of integration dx dy, we draw the horizontal strip. So left hand side and right hand side of the horizontal strip touches the circle only. Okay, what is the equation of the circle? X square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 4. So x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 4. 4 will be cancelled. Okay, so x square equal to 4y minus y square. So x equal to plus or minus square root of 4y minus y square. Okay, now the inner integral. The inner integral should be x is the function of y. So x equal to minus root of 4y minus y square and x equal to root of 4y minus y square. Okay, dx. Now the outer integral. The horizontal strips moves along y axis from 0 to 4. So here y equal to 0 to y equal to 4. Okay, so dy. See, the complicated integral stands for finding area of the circle with the center 0, 2 and radius 2. What is the answer? 4 pi square units. Now we are using the polar form. Double integral r into dr d theta. Okay, so here the circle which lies on the above the x-axis, above the initial line theta equal to 0. This is the standard form of the circle r equal to a sin theta. R equal to a sin theta. Here this is 0, this is the point 2, this is the point 4. So the given circle is r equal to 4 sin theta. R equal to 4 sin theta. Now we draw the radial strip. So radial strip fixed at starting from r equal to 0 to r equal to 4 sin theta. Okay, so integral r equal to 0 to r equal to 4 sin theta r dr. Okay, here the radial strips started from the initial line theta equal to 0 to and crossing theta equal to pi by 2 and end with theta equal to pi and end with theta equal to pi. So theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi d theta. Okay, now look at this integral. This integral stands for finding the area of the circle with the center 0, 2 and radius 2. What is the answer? 4 pi square units. So the same area of the circle, in order to the position of the circle, we have several equation, several integration. So when we solve all the integration, when we evaluate all the integral, we will get the same answer 4 pi square units. Sometimes if you have more practice, you can easily identify what the problem is given. So through this idea, you can easily identify the answer 4 pi because allotted time in the during the exam only 1 hour. From the 1 hour you have to complete 45 questions. So please practice well and practice more. I hope that you like this video. Next part it will be continued later. Thank you.